So you want to get into cryptocurrency and invest in crypto. I mean, you've heard of all these amazing gains people are making in cryptocurrency, and you want to get a taste of these amazing profits for yourself. I mean, how hard can it be, right? Right? Look, you may be new to cryptocurrency, or maybe you don't know where to start, or maybe you've been in cryptocurrency for a while, but you're not seeing the profits, the gains that other people are making, and you're just making measly profits at best. Or you may be finding yourself jumping from one coin to another coin, chasing that pump, but then the other coin pumps and you're missing this pump, so you go back and then something else pumps and it just becomes a mess. You just can't seem to catch a break. So what do? You go onto YouTube and you start looking for crypto videos for help, but every other video is telling you to do your own research, but no one's telling you how to do your own research. So then you try and apply technical analysis, and that doesn't work out. You completely get wrecked, because it just doesn't seem to make sense or apply to your investment style. I mean, it works for other people, but it's not working for you. Listen, relax. It's okay. I got you. See, I've been in cryptocurrency since 2017, and not just as an investor or trader. I have worked C-level positions, authored books, and consulted companies ever since. And I'm not gonna lie to you, crypto is hard. Harder than what you think. Things change fast, projects come and go, utility gets obsolete. I mean, it's insane. It's enough to drive you crazy and lose your mind. And hair. Just the other day, I was walking my dog, Vias. And as you can imagine, I get a lot of people asking me all the time about cryptocurrency. I mean, I get DM'd, I get emailed, I get questions in my YouTube comments section. I even get stopped on the street or even in cafes and restaurants while I'm trying to order lunch or dinner. And look, most of you that reach out to me are interested in just one thing, or mainly one thing. And that is how to make life-changing profits in crypto. And that's it. Everything else is a byproduct of how you can profit in cryptocurrency. So this got me thinking. So after I finished walking Vias, or he finished walking me, I actually went home and looked on my computer. And what I did, I searched online to find a crypto course, a really good crypto course on how to make profits, no fluff, no bullshit. I found nothing. All I found was beginner courses on what Bitcoin is and how blockchains work, along with some questionable technical analysis courses. But nothing for people to make some serious profits, to actually make serious profits in the crypto space. There was a gap. And that's how I started creating this very crypto course just for you. A course that will help you understand and make profits in crypto. A course on how to find the next narrative and be early to be able to invest in the right crypto sector. And how I personally use technical analysis, what kind of strategies I use to make profits in crypto. And so much more. Now, I know what you're all thinking. Paul, if you're making so much profits in crypto, if you are making so much profits in cryptocurrency, why share it with us? Why not just use it for yourself? And the answer is, I do. I mean, that's pretty much how I've been living the last couple of bull markets. But I still need to make diversified income. I still need to work. I mean, there are bear markets and unexpected turns in life, no matter how much preparation and how much you commit to being prepared. And now you might be thinking, Paul, okay, I understand that, but you've been working as a C-level executive. Why don't you just work as a C-level and make that money? And the answer to that is very simple. I can't. At least not the way I used to. See, you may not know this, but I've actually been fighting cancer since 2016. I fought cancer 3 times and I beat cancer 3 times. The last time was not too long ago. It was the end of 2022. I had chemotherapy for months, and I actually had CAR-T therapy, which was very brutal. And I got out of hospital just 2 days before Christmas. And I just didn't have the energy to do much of anything. But I had a lot of time to think, and I quickly realized that I just won't have the energy and won't be able to work the way I used to work before. This was quite apparent. I just did not have the energy, and I did not want to work in high-level stress environments. And believe me, C-level positions, they're high-level stress environments. Plus, I wanted to have time for me. And that's why I started to create this course. To help people succeed, to help you succeed, and to help me succeed. Look, this may very well be the last bull market we're gonna see, at least the way we've seen the bull market so far when it comes to cryptocurrency. and we need to take advantage of it, make profits, and require skills that we otherwise would not have. And then hopefully those skills that we acquired, we can actually use them, whether it's in cryptocurrency or in any other industry. So here's the good news. Right now, you can pre-order this very course and get in with an early bird price. The price will of course go up while I upgrade and work on this course over time. But right now, at this very second, you can get in with a huge discount. Why am I giving you this discount? Very simple. As I'm creating this course, I'm hoping to be able to get your feedback of what you like and what you don't like about this course, and then hopefully get some testimonials. That way, I can be sure that this course is of value and it's the best it can be. And then, of course, I can raise the price. But I will be raising the price of this course the more I update it and the deeper we get into the bull run. This is not a gimmick. This is not a sales tactic. I've already raised the prices on my other services and I will raise them again very soon. So check out the price down below. It's never going to be cheaper for you to buy it today. I can't wait to have you on board. I'm super excited to get your feedback and I can't wait to see you in the course section. Thank you for your time and I'll see you soon.